What it do, man? It's your boy Louis B back with another video, man. And if you want to know what's the grinding noise while you driving, stay tuned. Check out this video. So yesterday I was driving and I just kept hearing a crunching noise. And I'm looking at the brake pads, which you probably can't really see. It'll look neat on this one, on this side. So I'm looking, I'm like, man, ain't nothing wrong with the thing. So I come on this side and the little shield thingy right here was falling off. So I'm thinking this dead scraping up against the rotor, which it wasn't. I pried it back with a flathead screwdriver and it was still scraping. And you can see all this wear and tear on there. So I took off the wheel and lo and behold, the brakes just low. The brakes just old and they need to come off. So we finna change the brakes on the Grand Prix. Let's go. It's tools you gonna need, man. You're gonna need some jack stands. You can use a 4-way, but I'm gonna use this 19 extendo. You know what I'm saying? You're gonna need I think it's a 14 to take off the yeah, 14 millimeter to break off the brake caliber, the brake thing, breaker bar to loosen the bolts with that 19, and then you can ratchet it down. And a jack, and some jack stands. So I ain't finna keep y'all. I'm finna do this so y'all can see the damage to the brakes. They're old, man. They old. Let's get it. Oh shit. While doing that, I noticed that the hub bearing was bad too, so that'll be another video. Stay tuned for that one. So this 14 millimeter bolt and this 14 millimeter bolt, take them off. And then this should come right off. If you have a hard time getting it off, get a flathead screwdriver or something, pop it out. But I'm gonna take it off real quick because gotta do it with both hands. Shoot. Oh, my bad. And there's one thing else you need. You need a special tool to get that piston back there back. So see, these still had a little bit of something on them. But as y'all gonna see, I'm gonna show y'all the other side, but I'm just gonna skip past that and y'all be able to see it, what I was talking about. So, okay. Just like the other side, you gotta pull this off. So, it's off. Now look at this. I'm like, what the hell? It doesn't look bad. That stupid little thing came off. But the culprit, the main culprit of the noise, look at this. There's nothing on here. Nothing. I'm talking about metal. So that was the main noise. So you have to replace it. Just like I showed y'all how to put it on, you do the same thing in reverse. You know? So if you like this video, you never did brakes before, like, share, and subscribe. And these things, I'm gonna replace all this. These come off, replace them with the new brakes pads. And if you like videos pertaining to car maintenance, if you want to do it yourself, stay tuned. I got more videos and you can learn something. Then you come out less in your pocket. Let's go. Okay, before I forget and rush and put it back together, this little cube right here got a diagram or, you know what I'm saying, little things on it, which this is one for mine right here. It's sliding. Oh shoot. Raw and uncut, man. Look, I got one hand, so it go on this and you twist it with the wrench. You put extension in there and you twist it, and it gets the caliper back, the piston back in there. You know what I'm saying? So, you know, I got to use two hands to do it, so I can't show you on camera. But just know you need this little cube because certain brakes have certain things, and this ain't a C-clamp one. This is one that you got to use the little cube on it, and then get the piston back there. So, if you have any other questions, drop a comment, like the video, share and subscribe. Be a part of, you know what I'm saying, learning. It's a learning experience. Get it done for the cheap. Let's go.